Hello everyone, this is Swapna from the channel The Tech Outlook. Before going in detail, I would request you all to subscribe my channel, those who haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. Now in today's video, I will explain you $push operator in MongoDB. How to use $push operator. Generally, $push operator is used with querying array. So already we have created instructor collection. I will show you that collection db.instructor.find.pretty. So here in this collection we have four documents, id1, id2, then inst id3 and inst id4. So and one more thing is that we have phone number as a multi-valued attribute, and if that field or attribute has multiple values, that can be added using this square bracket, that is also called as querying array. So if you want to push one more phone number to the existing ID, then we use $push operator. How to use $push operator? Take an example. If we want to push one more phone number to this inst ID 4. So here if you can see that phone number, this inst ID 4 has only one phone number, and if you want to add one more phone number for the same, then we will use $push operator. So what is the syntax? db.instructor.update. So just do remember, whatever changes you want to do for the collection, always we use update command. Here we do not have alter statement, so we have to use update statement. db.instructor.update. Then here in the first brace I will mention the condition. What is the condition? Where inst id is equal to 4 colon 4. So for inst id 4 we need to push one more phone number. Now in the second brace I will use $push operator, and in this brace we will mention new phone number which is to be added. So I will add one more phone number. So here I have completed my statement. If I say this thing, then it will say matched 1. So among four documents there is one collection, there is one document where inst id matches. Inst id is equal to 4 matches. Then upsetted 0 and modified 1. So one document has been modified with this command. With this command, one document has been modified. If you want to see the changes, again we will execute the same command, db.instructor.find.pretty. So here you can see that for inst id 4, that phone number has been pushed, right? So initially we were having only one phone number for inst id 4, but after using $push, one more phone number is added to this document. So I hope you have understood this video, how to use $push operator in MongoDB. And just do remember, $push operator is used with only querying array. Wherever array is present, only for that we use $push operator. Thank you so much for watching my video.